Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing good. Today I am going to talk about the importance of having a good insurance for your vehicle, especially when you have a luxury car, a Mercedes or a BMW or a Jaguar, Audi. These luxury cars are too costly, and buying these cars are somehow we can manage. We take a loan and we pay the EMI and we buy these cars. I have got Mercedes which I've been maintaining for the past 6 years. I've been always talking about the cost of maintenance and the risk involved when these cars get into trouble, or they have some damages or repairs. The spares repair costs are too high compared to any other local vehicles, or a vehicle like Thar. My last service was just, I think, 4 to 5,000 rupees I spent for the oil change and all these things. Usually for the Mercedes I usually spend something between 1 lakh to 2 lakhs for a service when it goes for its annual service. So what happened recently was, I had mentioned in my one of my previous vlogs, it was heavily raining. We had some problem with the motors, which usually pumps the water out when the overflow happens, and the motor failed and the rain was too heavy, as well as there was a wall which got damaged and water from the neighboring property was coming in. The basement got flooded, which was the parking area. um, there were around 40 plus cars in the basement, including mine. All the vehicles got damaged. Most of them uh, had to be towed away. Even my car, Mercedes, had to be towed away. And day before yesterday, I got the estimate to repair the vehicle. It's whopping 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs. And my insurance company has done the survey. I'm just waiting for the approvals. That's what I have been informed by the dealer of the Mercedes. They have still not started repairing the vehicle. They have to order the parts. The parts may be available in India. Mine is a CBU. It's a complete built unit imported from Germany. So I don't know whether all the parts would be available in India. uh, um, 23 lakhs is too much, and if I had not had a good insurance coverage, I would have been in serious trouble. I don't know how I would have planned to sort out the repair part. So that's something very alarming. People think about buying luxury cars, but more than buying, the maintaining is really tough. I usually have to spend roughly 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs for the maintenance, plus around 2 lakhs for the insurance. So 3.5 lakhs, almost like 1,000 rupees every day. Even if the vehicle is lying in the garage, I spend to maintain that vehicle. So it's a quite costly affair. So if you have proper income, if you have sufficient income to maintain this, it's fine. As long as you have this income, it's a really good car. It's a real luxury. You can travel with confidence. It's a great experience to have a luxury car like a Mercedes or any other luxury car. So my final thoughts on this topic: always try to take a really good insurance from a good insurance company. What I have done was always been following, taking the insurance from the dealer itself, Akshaya Motors in Bangalore, Mysore. They have in many parts of Karnataka. And through them, when I take the advantages, it's cashless. Now I don't have to really pay this 23 lakhs bill. It would be taken care by the dealer. They have a arrangement with the insurance company. Once they have these things approved, they will go ahead and repair the vehicle and deliver the vehicle to me. That's what I understand. This is the first time that I'm claiming such a big amount. Earlier, I had changed the windshield. It was broken during a drive from Trivandrum to Mysore. I did not have to pay a single penny. They had come to the place where the vehicle was. They towed the vehicle to Bangalore. They fixed everything, brought it back and handed over to me. I did not get any bills. It was only problem is we don't get the no claim bonus. So next year my policy premium would go up at least 50,000 rupees. So that is one thing I'll be losing. So this disaster, it's has harmed a lot of house owners' ears. The apartment is like, as I mentioned, it is built in a place where it was a lake, and the water keep oozing, coming up, and it's a serious concern. Now we don't have proper parking space. We have paid a huge amount to buy this parking space. Builders usually they just somehow manage to build the apartment and hand it over and run away. That's what they do. This is the same. It's a very popular known brand in India, but still, what to do? They are in touch with our association is in touch with them, so they may do something, I don't know. But definitely the vehicles cost, for me, I may have to, I don't know whether I'll have to pay some margins. I don't know whether there would be some parts which are not covered under the insurance. I don't know about these things. What would be the money which I have to shell out from my pocket? There are so many vehicles owners, they might not have a proper insurance, and they might have to spend a lot of money. We don't know. Let's see. So it was a sad thing, and these things do happen. We see a lot of losses happening due to floods, and many people lose their home, completely lose their lifetime savings. These are a part of our life. It can happen to anybody. So I am not really like I feel that this is something which can happen to anybody, so I have to face it. I have to get my vehicle repaired and start using it. So that's all for now. Bye, take care.